Welcome to today's Emunah Minute. We take the opportunity today to dedicate our learning Le'ilui Nishmas in memory of the 19 precious innocent children and the 2 school teachers murdered in cold blood in Uvalde, Texas yesterday. We hope that in the merit of our Talmud Torah, their neshamas will have an aliyah, the families a nechama, and may HaKadosh Baruch Hu finally see fit to usher in a period of everlasting peace, everlasting shalom for all mankind. There's an incredible Gemara Maseches Yevamis. Today's daf, actually. The Gemara daf Ayin Tes, page 79a, quotes King David, David HaMelech. And David HaMelech says, Amar, Shlosha Simanim Yesh Ba'umazu. There are 3 unique characteristics that Klal Yisrael possesses. Number 1, Rachmanim, we are compassionate. Number 2, Baishanim, literally means we're embarrassed. We're embarrassed. Number 3, Gomlei Chasodim, we perform acts of charitable kindness. So David HaMelech says, if you want to know what makes a Yid, what makes a Jew unique, 3 characteristics. Rachmanis, compassion; Baishan, embarrassed; Gomlei Chasadim, perform acts of charitable kindness. So let's analyze these 3 separately. The Rebbe Rayatz, the Lubavitcher Rebbe, explains so beautifully, what does it mean to be a Baishan? What does it mean to be embarrassed? Embarrassed of what? And the Rebbe says, and I quote to you, Yehudi mispayish min nafshal kis. It means to be embarrassed in front of my neshama. What does it mean? I want to commit an avera. I have a weakness, a desire, a want, and I want to satisfy it. I like to engage in self-gratification. But sometimes a Yid is embarrassed in front of his neshama. I have a soul. And that soul, as the Balatanya writes, is chelek elokami ma'al mamish. It's a spark, it's a piece of the Ribono Shel Olam. A Jew is mispayish. A Jew says, how could I commit this avera? How could I indulge this desire? My neshama, my soul, which is a spark of Hashem, is going to see me. And it's that embarrassment that often saves me from committing grave offenses, that saves me from committing terrible averas. That's what it means to be embarrassed. So Klal Yisrael, we're baishanim. I'm embarrassed in front of my neshama. That's 1. What about the other 2? So it's interesting to know about the other 2. And the Shem Yishmael, the Sakhav Rebbe, points this out. They seem to be redundant. A Rachaman is someone who is compassionate, has empathy, has mercy. Gomlei Chasodim, and again, that's compassion, empathy, and mercy for another. Gomlei Chasodim is the kind of person who does acts of charitable kindness for the other. Aren't they really one and the same? Aren't Rachmanis and Gomlei Chasodim, compassion, empathy, mercy, person who does chesed, isn't that really the same thing? And the Rebbe says something incredibly profound. He says that to be a Rachaman, who's a person who's a Rachaman? Person who's a Rachaman is a reactive state. I see someone suffering. I see someone having a difficult time. I see something in a state of disrepair. And so I respond. I see a need, and again, I find the courage to meet the need. But the Rebbe says that's different than being a Gomlei Chasadim. What does it mean to be a Bal Chesed, Gomlei Chasadim? You see, when a person is a Bal Chesed, they look for opportunities to make a difference. I need to make a difference. I need to give. I want to give. I am unfulfilled. I am not self-actualized unless I'm giving of myself to another. So the Gomel Chasadim is proactive. He or she goes out looking for opportunities to make a difference, looking for opportunities to do good. That's the difference between Rachmanim and Gomel Chasadim. Rachmanim, mercy, empathy, compassion. But I wait till there's a need and then I react. Gomlei Chasodim, I proactively look for ways to make a difference. And David HaMelech says, herein lies the unique qualities of the Jew. And now that we know what makes us unique, we also know what we have to work on. I have to be a Baishan. It's good, a little bit of embarrassment is good sometimes. It's good to be embarrassed in front of your neshama. It's good to know my neshama is watching. My neshama, which is a spark of Hashem, sees everything that I'm about to do. And the knowledge that my neshama is watching keeps me honest, keeps me on my toes. It's good to be a Rachaman, be a person who has mercy, compassion, empathy for the other. If you see another in need, or you see a situation of need, or a situation of need, rise to the occasion, do something, try to help, try to fix, but ultimately also strive to be a Gomel Chesed, Gomlei Chasadim, to become the kind of people who are not only reactive, who not only rise to the occasion when called upon, but who actively seek out opportunities to make a difference. Seek out opportunities to make a difference in the lives of others. Seek out opportunity to make a difference in the world at large. Don't wait for broken things to appear at our doorsteps, but actively figure out how can we make a positive impact in our family, in our community, and in the world around us. These were the three qualities that David HaMelech perceived were unique about Klal Yisrael, and they're the very three things that make us unique to this very day. Wishing everyone a wonderful day.